Survives. Today I have something for you. The Eachway Survival Kit. Now this one's made by Eachway. I do gotta give this disclaimer. This video's to help any of you guys who've ever been curious when you go on Amazon and you see these survival kits that they sell. Anywhere from $15 to $25. This one made by Eachway is about $20. Got it as a gift. Has a few cool items in here. Nice little snap case. And, it's supposed to be an all-in-one survival kit with things you would need. Everything except food. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you what's in here. Show you, the uses for all the little items in here. And believe me, you're going to go on Amazon. You're going to see hundreds of different branded boxes just like this with the same stuff in there at different price ranges. So stay tuned. We'll tell you what we think, and we'll show you what's in here. I'm going to open this up and show you what's in here. Cool little box. I don't know if you can get the serial number on here. The brand, the name of this one, just in case you guys want to look this one up. But let me go ahead and flip this over, and I'm going to show you what's in here. You got your little plastic clasp here. They do hold pretty well. This isn't going to be a watertight container because it does not have, or you know what, it does have a rubber seal. So, I guess that'd be something you'd want to test out. But here, let me show you what's in here. First, you're going to get an emergency blanket. You get one of those. You get your emergency saw, little wire saw. You get a compass. I don't really think this is brass, but it might be. And the compass does seem to point north. You also get a tactical pin. And I need to talk to you guys about this though. The pin includes this little clip. I took it off because I'm not going to use it that way, but it just screws on. This top end screws off. You get, this is probably my favorite part of this little kit, is this flashlight, because it is extremely bright. And then you can also use the top of this, zoom, you have your focus on the front. I don't remember if so it does have different settings. It has a high, a low, and then a flash. And then you can soft press it to go into the different settings and just hold it all the way click to turn off. This does run off of one AA battery. I don't know if you can use any other kind of batteries with it, but I just have one rechargeable AA in here. Make sure to not cross thread that. How watertight this flashlight is, I don't know. But it's, something cool to keep in the car. And I like that flashlight. You do get your fire steel with striker. This is also a very good item, I thought, because it's very thick. Very, very thick for fire steel. And then you get your little scraper. And as you can see, man, it works. Obviously, with the knife, it's going to work better. You get a little carabiner type knife. This also works as the lock. But I will tell you that this knife, while it is pretty sharp and has a nice point on it, the steel it's made out of, it's not even listed on here. And I can see little fluctuations in the metal. It's not going to be a heavy duty knife. Maybe to cut some rope or just some emergency work, but not something that you should expect to hold an edge, or to last very long, to be honest. You have a little mini light. Again, how useful this is going to be, who knows, because it comes with this big flashlight. You could either squeeze it, or it has an actual on-off switch here, and it'll stay on. Little keychain ring. This whistle is probably one of the loudest whistles I've ever heard, and seen. Aluminum. You have your 2 ports. I'm not going to blow on this very hard. I'm going to blow on it because it even hurts my ears. Here it goes. Listen, listen, listen. I didn't even try to blow on that thing, but this is awesome. They really did a great job on this whistle. Includes your little key ring here. This is awesome. And then last but not least, you guys see these all the time. Yeah, I'm sure you can get them really cheap, $1 or so, but it includes one of these wallet, emergency help kits. You have your knife here. It has a little bit of an edge on it. You have your saw, your bottle opener, your nut wrench, measuring side. I mean, how much you're going to really use this, who knows? Maybe in that weird occasion, screwdriver. Has little things on it. So out of these things, I'm going to separate them on the table, on the things that I think are useful. So I think this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. And, believe it or not, I'd probably throw this over here. And I'm going to tell you, the knife, you can probably get a better knife for $5 off Amazon. The light, I have a better little keychain light, but this is a little toy. You might get these for 25 cents. The compass is not very high quality. I'd maybe call it, out of all those stuff in here, it'd probably be middle of the road between all this gear. I mean, it points you in the right direction, but it also is kind of finicky. You're going to break this thing when you hold it. Some of the numbers on the dial are already rubbing off. And I've never even used this, to be honest with you. This little saw, I'll show this to you guys. Anybody who thinks they're going to saw through a log or a tree or something with this thing is going to be wasting a lot of energy. And I don't think it lasts very long. So we're going to open this up here. I mean, this is how thick this saw is. I could probably break this, to be honest with you, with my hands. So, I mean, maybe you can get through something real thin. Who knows? I mean, it's a cool idea. I've seen really good ones online. This one here, I can tell you, is not going to do a great job. Here's another 99-cent toy from the 99-cent store. The biggest disappointment, because I've been shopping around, guys. If you want to give me something cool, give me a tactical pin. That's nice. So, the first night I had this, I was really excited because I really wanted a tactical pin. And I liked the design of this one. The way that it worked is the pin would come in and out by just turning it. Within 5 minutes of playing with this, I went to turn it and it wouldn't come out. So I turned it a little bit more. And then it did come out. And then after that, it never retracted again. I opened it up. The device in here, there's a little tiny piece in here that pushes the tip of the pin out. It's made out of plastic. And it runs on metal threads. So once the little plastic thing messed up, it didn't come out anymore. It wouldn't even pop up. So I had to modify it slightly so that this pin always stays out. It will no longer retract. It's not going to do it anymore. You still have your little carbide tip. So it's still going to work. It just doesn't work the way it was supposed to. And the insides on this are like very cheap. So don't expect much from it. But other than that, I mean, it still works. I'm still going to use this. I still like this. I just think they did a very bad job on the insides of this pin. Like I said, you barely overturn it, and then it jumps the threads, and it's never going back in. So that's that. I mean, what can I say? For these kits, if you really need something and you've never had anything, these things alone here, you got a good $5 flashlight, another $5 maybe for this fire seal if you had to buy it. This whistle's awesome. I'd pay $5 for this whistle. And, your little card safety thing. The awesome thing is I got this as a gift. And as a gift, I think all this stuff's pretty awesome because I'm going to try it all. I had always thought about buying one of these kits, but I was worried about the quality. Now I own one. And now I don't have to be guessing. stay tuned. I'm giving my final thoughts on what I think of all this stuff. I'm going to put it all back in the case. I'm going to be right back. Wrap this up. What do I think of this survival kit made by Eachway? Again, you're going to see all kinds of survival kits that look exactly like this with different brands because I'm sure they're getting them from the same place. For $20, guys, I can't suggest this to you. For 20 bucks, I wouldn't say, if this was $9.99 and less, I would say buy it because at least you get to see what you're getting, and then you can buy better things and learn from that. Because there's a few useful items in here. About 30% of the items in here are useful. For $20, I would not tell you to buy this. You're going to be really disappointed unless it's like the very first thing you've ever bought. There is things in here I like. The whistle's awesome. That whistle, the design of that whistle is crazy good. The fire steel is thick. It's an awesome piece of fire steel. The, what was that? What else did I like in there? The flashlight. That's a really nice $5 flashlight. They're not worth more than that. And I'm sure you can find them on there for about that price. In summary, guys, I wish I had 3 hands so I could give this bitch 3 thumbs down. That's what I think about this. But I have a lot of gear. As a gift, I think this is awesome because everybody's going to see this as an adventure. And I got it as a gift, and I love it. But I'm trying to give you guys a review of whether or not you should buy this. And I would probably tell you to not buy this, only because I'm here and I'm trying to help you get some cool stuff. Find something else or buy the individual items that you like. Again, thank you for watching my videos. Hopefully, you like what you see. Subscribe for more, and we'll be back with another video on Adrian Survives.